flow like the wind, but in you I'll stay grounded in. I will stay here, I will stay here, right here in you. I will keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Come on me, here I'll remain, steadfast in prayer and strong in faith. All of the grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Grounds they be sinking, so on your word I'm standing. Everybody's searching, looking for safety in the wrong things. Yeah, I'll hold on, I'll hold on, I'll stay strong, I'll hold on. I'll hold on. Yeah. Make me straight, they flow like the wind, but in you I'll stay grounded. I will stay here, I will stay here. I will keep my mind stayed on you, 'cause you are pure and true, pure and true. I will stay here, right here with you. Wonderful Savior, I know that these things they come and they go. One thing's for sure, that your word for me won't go cold. So I'll stay here with you in my heart, I won't fade, no. I'll keep going strong with my head up, 'cause I know these things will all fade away. And I know that they are not real, so they don't fret me now. So I close my eyes and walk through, 'cause I know who I am. All things work together, all things work together, yeah. You're mine, mine forever. You're mine, mine forever, yeah. I know you're here, I know you're here. To hide, they will not comply. No valley to low, they will not respond to me. Out of my belly flows rivers of water, life given, and it is all because, like the morning sun, you brighten up my life, keep me going strong. Keep me going strong, yeah. And I will not fear, 'cause I know they are always here with me. Oh my Father, yeah. Oh my Father, come rain, come shine, I shine. Through storms, mountains, I fly, yeah. I fly, yeah. See, I reign, I rule, I king, 'cause you live inside me, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'll keep on winning all the time, yeah. Because your spirit lives inside me, yeah. I'll keep on winning all the time. Because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. You know all the time I just fly, I don't die. Oh yes, nothing like your presence. The way you fill this room, intoxicating, intoxicating. There's nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you, in your presence. Nothing else would do. You reign, you rule, you shine, my King, always for all time, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. My Lord, my King, my God, to you all the praise be, yes. Whoa, I'll keep on winning all the time, because your spirit lives inside me. I'll keep on winning all the time. Oh yeah, because Jesus lives inside me. Victory is mine. I got victory. Victory, yeah, I got victory, yeah. Victory, yeah, I got victory. Victory, yeah, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Nowhere else I'd rather be than right here with you. Nowhere else I'd rather be. Oh no. Mighty Creator, beautiful Savior, nobody like you. Oh, Lord, you're a wonder, nobody like you. I wouldn't trade you for silver or gold, no. Walking down the road, I've seen a lot of faces, and all that I see is you. Your glory in everything you created, nobody compares to you. Him and her, me and you are. He made us wonderful, wonderfully crafted, perfect in Him, 'cause He lives in me. I'm shining bright, 'cause I'm God kind and I carry Christ. Darkness cannot withstand the light. When I step in, it flees out of sight, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside. Oh, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, He lives inside, yeah, yeah. There is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. Yeah, there is no weapon, I say there is no weapon formed against me in this world or the next that can never prosper. That's why everything's sweet, everything nice, so nice. Just look at me everything fresh and nice. Nothing can stand against me, nah, nah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside, oh yeah. Oh, everything, we're born from against me. Oh no, see me, I'm rolling like a new creation. 7 souls from every nation, elevated. Oh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why I'm a wonder, 'cause Christ is my maker. Yes, he lives inside, oh yeah, oh yeah. That's why you're a wonder, 'cause Christ is your maker. Yes, he lives inside, oh
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah.
Yo, chat, what up, chat? Good morning, what's up? Happy Monday, gang. Drop some energies in the chat. Let's go.
About my kids. Shit, you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, 'cause growing up, he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say, like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. And why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, 'cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Nora, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped foodie. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout, so you gotta pray for him. Pray for Auntie Diane, Roddy, and Kiefer, too. And last but definitely not least, you gotta pray for all my kids, Kai, Connor, Cody. Most definitely gotta pray for the apple of my eye, the love of my life, Brittany. And BB McFarland, the newest addition to the family. And even if I ain't say your name, you know what's up with me. I pray to God direct my steps on this path I'm going. Give me peace of mind so that I stay focused. Give me discipline so that I keep going. To the gym even when results ain't showing. Lord, give me the faith I need to move mountains. Give me financial freedom, know that there's no accountant that's more able than you. There's no problems on this earth greater than you. And if it's your will, then let me do everything that I was created to do. Help me change lives, like you changed minds, like you changed moms. How could I forget how you made a millionaire out of 15 cents? With $1 in a dream, wasn't always what it seemed. Sometimes I couldn't see, but I still believed. And then you made it real, you gave me everything I need. And all I had to have was the faith of a mustard seed. So the point of this album is to have faith. No matter what field of work you in, no matter what you're doing in life, have faith in it and believe in it at all times. And especially having God in your life first. Because in a world full of the devil doing God knows what, as long as you keep God first, you'll be all right. I've always had the ultimate confidence I've always believed in myself, and I always strived to be the best I could be. It was instilled in me as a kid. When I was making this album, man,
What's up, chat?
I
What
went
up?
through
What
3
up?
different
How you guys
titles
doing, man?
and about
Good
100
morning.
different emotions.
What's
And
up,
I just remember
everyone?
a
Shout
conversation
out
I
to
had with
16
Nick when he was
viewers
doing
right
Perfect
now.
10. He said, man, you should name your album Faith
I
of a
hope
Mustard
you
Seed.
good, guys. I
At
hope
that
you
very
good.
moment, I didn't know exactly what he meant by it, but I knew it was something out the Bible. When I went and I did my research on what faith of a mustard seed meant, it says that with the faith of a mustard seed, God would allow you to move mountains. And I feel like where I come from, I moved just about every mountain that was in my way and still moving them with the faith of God. You know, when I was young, you know, when I say first giving honor.
Alright, how you guys doing, man? How's your weekend, chat? Welcome, everyone. Welcome to a brand new day, brand new week, brand new live stream. How you guys doing? How you guys doing? How you doing? What's up? What's up? Alright, let's do the top down here. You guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Let's go. All right, so let's see the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame, as you can see, re-break of the previous candle high there, right? So this is gonna be the high, the previous candle high, and then you re-break that. So we expect volume today, probably 1,600 pip move on this monthly time frame. So if we're gonna drop down to the weekly time frame, weekly is just open up, right? I believe we open up with a gap here on price. We move 200 pip and then now we move down. So I am anticipating the support here, resistance here. So we expect probably bottom wick, right? Bottom wick enable for you to push up further, right? So probably I'm gonna expect bottom wick minimum here, right? So probably here, bottom wick here before flipping, right? It's gonna look like this, or um here on the resistance, the previous resistance, right? So we expect that in the weekly time frame, but I don't know if we're gonna top this today or probably tomorrow. But within this week, we probably gonna expect topping here on this zone. And if this candle didn't flip, man, that's gonna um really interesting on price, because support here, resistance, once this candle go back in the range, Yep, there is probably high probability that the next candle will retest the low here, because how many, as you can see on the weekly candle, how many candles are trying to drive up. This candle closed below, but the next previous candle closed back in the range. This one trying to push further up, but didn't close above. But this one, last week candle closed above the range. But let's see on this candle if gonna push up further right after create a bottom wick topping on this previous resistance form. All right, so that's the weekly. The daily here is so close above the range. No. So you have resistance here on price, right? That's the resistance. This is your resistance. Didn't close above the range. If we're gonna look for the structure right now, this is the current structure. All right. So you have support form here, and the resistance is here, right? So you close above the range on the recent structure, but you have the next structure, the next resistance on the left hand side. This one, right? So there is high probability that this candle will react here because we are in the resistance zone, right? As you can see, we have structure been formed here on price and then move up. Is structure been formed again, move down, right? So support here, move up, support, move up, consolidate here, and then now you break out. Let's see if we're gonna have. We just need to see the bottom wick where it's gonna top and then react and then flip. Once this candle flip, right? Once the daily candle flip like this, there is a high chance that we're gonna continue popping up towards to the upside. And as you can see, we are reaching on the all-time high once again here. If this candle flip, man, you're gonna top or you're gonna create a new all-time high because you have potentials, um buying up because there is some war happening in the world, right? And they're keeping their money on the safe haven, which is gold. So let's see. But right now, there I see some news on Trump that his favorite something business is all about tariff ish. So probably, as you can see, 12 trillion US dollar. That's why the gold is pushing down. All right. So 4 hour time frame, as you can see, bearish. We see bearish move on price on the 4 hour time frame. Re-break the lows here. So as you can see, the 4 hour time frame structure, you have resistance now. This is the minor support level, and if this candle close below the range, you will see this next, right? We'll see that next on the 4 hour, because Monday, if there is a lot of volume, we see the potential coming down. 1 hour, yeah. So the 1 hour is printing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles are going down here, and we have structure here, as you can see, right? So that's the structure. Resistance is up here, support is down here. So we probably expect the volume, right? 1 hour, but the 1 hour prints already 7 candles bearish. So for me, I want to see in the lower time frame create some market structure and able for me to take sell to retest this low, right? Because I still have clean traffic here, but this probably take time. This probably we need to see volume coming up to the market if we're gonna take this trade. All right, because there is 1 hour 7 candles form bearish. There is no retracement yet. Right? So that's the 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yeah. So 30 minutes still the same. There's no structure here going down. As you can see, we're just printing bearish on price. You have this just minor, right? Minor levels, minor. I want to see structure with creating some lower lows, lower highs like this, right? Support, resistance, support like this. But right now, this is not a structure for me. This is just a minor levels that easy to break up if you're gonna push further up. So re-break the previous candle low. Okay. Support. Okay, 50, 30, this 30. Yeah. So now we're in the bearish trend on price. Bearish. We have bearish move. So let's see if we're gonna move that. Chat, if you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. Chat, by the way, I don't know who used the journal, but my journal here is empty. And there is some people use the journal, didn't copy their journal. I told them to copy it, right? Make a copy and then yeah, use the copy one. I don't know who used this, but yeah, my data here is empty, so don't know, man. Who knows, guys, how to retrieve the previous one? If you guys can help me, that would really appreciate it. If you guys can help me how to retrieve my data before. If someone knows, you can drop in the chat if you guys know. If you guys can help me, right? Yeah, they I don't know who used this. They erase, yeah. History version, where's that? Version history here, right? Control Shift A, Control Alt Shift H. What's this? Press. It's not working. Yeah. So anonymous user. Yeah, this one, yo. All right. So, how to restore this version? Restore. All right, man. Okay. Yeah, we're back. We're back in the business. Thank you, Jason. Thank you. You're the best, man. All right, Cha. If you wanna use this, I'm gonna make a copy for you. This one, so you guys can trading 2025 trading journal. Write this for you guys. Somewhere. Okay, so this is for me and this is for you, gang. I'll rename this copy 2025 copy. Okay, so I'm gonna delete everything here. All right, so we're good. And I'm gonna public this. All right, so you guys can use this. Okay, so I'm gonna share it with the YouTube chat. All right, so you guys, this is yours, guys. All right, so you have a copy now. You can put everything here now. All right, we good, we good. We Gucci. All right, we good, we good. Shout out to 29 viewers. How you guys doing? If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. And make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. So any closure above here, good for driving up to retest here. Some retracement here. So we don't have any news for the day. No news for the day. So tomorrow we have news. Any possibility it can reach all-time high in the coming days when our market trend continues to be bullish? Yeah, there is high possibility. We just need to wait for this daily candle create a bottom wick and weekly candle create a bottom wick and flip up. Sorry. So once this candle flip up, there is a high chance that you're gonna feel the wick on the left hand side. Okay, so if this candle create a bottom wick now and then flip, there is a high chance that you're gonna feel the wick on the left hand side, this wick, and make a new all-time high. When we're coming to new all-time high here and we know that we're reaching all-time high, for me, if I see that a lot of volume here, I'm always taking the trade on the re-break of the high and take some 20-30 pips, because the gold will reach $5 when you are in the all-time high, where the gold is pumping, always reaching $5 there. Let's see how this daily candle closed today. If this daily candle closed bearish, yeah, we gonna expect some volume coming up. Expect like this, and then yeah, we're probably gonna see that, because on the left we need to mirror the move. We need to see price action first, right? Price action, action to the market. No, 15 is ranging around here. Ranging. Let's see if we're gonna get trades today. Shout out to 31 viewers. Shout out to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Drop it in the chat. And drop some likes, subs to the channel, support the channel. Dun, 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 dun. Nakamute ako, sorry. So, as you can see, the 30 minutes time frame here is we have clean traffic on the 30 minutes time frame, right? As you can see, we move down, right? And then we have, if we got, I'm gonna delete the, I'm gonna delete the levels, the markup. As you can see on price, we move down, right? And as you can see, we have closed below the range. So if you are gonna look only on the 30, you're probably gonna clap on this zone because you have the wicks on the left hand side now, right? But if you're not gonna look on the 15, as you can see, the 15 been created already. Market structure, you have support form here. So that's why the 30 minutes here really struggle to push further down because on the 15 support form here, right? So make sure if you guys are trading 30, make sure you are always looking on the 15 too. All right, either any strategy or um yeah, any strategy you're holding, make sure you always correlate with the lower time frame. Right? If you are looking for the volume, the price action, always look on 15, 30. You need to correlate that if you have clean traffic on the left hand side, right? Pushing down further down or pushing up. Yeah, that's how you anticipate that market. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. 32 minutes for 4-hour close. No volume on the one and 30. Oh, the one, if the one closed bullish, right? This is gonna be scenario. If the one closed bullish like this or like that, and then the next 1 hour push down. So the next 1 hour is the new 4-hour closure too. Once probably create a top wick and then starting to re-break the low, yeah, we probably gonna take some impulse trade there because that's the volume, 1 hour, 4-hour open, 1 hour open, 30 minutes open, re-breaking the low. We probably gonna see this melt on price because on the 1 hour there's no probability for buys yet and the body is small, so you cannot take buy when the body is small. We cannot take buy when the body is small. All right, 30 is about to close. 30 is about to close. 30 minutes doji. Let's see if this candle re-break the low. Yeah, we probably gonna give it a shot here on the re-break of the low, but the stop's a little bit big. Let's see. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. No bueno. 15 are tripping here. Any close below here, gang? Any close below will retest the low. Any close below, we're gonna move down. Shout out to 30 viewers. Chat, make sure you like the stream. Subs to the channel. Oops. US dollar inches up. Dollar firm against major currency on Monday, driven by safe haven buying from investors fearing the Israel fighting could escalate in the border region. Conflict as they back with central bank meetings. Around Israel showed no signs of backing of attacks. Prospect that Iran. Wow, man. Right now they're gonna do some manipulation here, chat. So when the bank, this is gonna be some tricky on US probably, because right now the in the my mentor told me when the war is there, right? When the war is happening, the gold is always pumping up. But right now, as you can see, the dollar is steady, right? That means there is no probability that the gold will rise up once again here, right? Because gold is versus to US dollar. If the dollar is steady, there is no probability that the gold is gonna be pushed further up. Yeah. So right now, man, this is the power of the president of United States, which is Trump. Yeah. So yeah, they don't wanna push gold even further here. So if you are trading gold, make sure you read some news like tweets of Trump, or like good for US dollar, bad for US dollar. Make sure you guys adapt on that, all right? Because before I was I was not able to read this, and then probably some sudden volume came because of this Trump tweets. But right now I've learned because my mentor told me you need to read some new article too in terms of fundamentals, which is this news. It will help the volume, direction. 30 minutes support. Yeah, so this support is holding, chat. So this support is holding, all right? As you can see, we have wicks here now. All right, this support is probably gonna hold. Let's see.
It's Monday. It's Monday.
Re-breaking the high. Mm. Do, 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 do. Re-break the high, you move. No move. 15 minutes close. No move. No move, no buenos. Too much patience, yeah. Mm. 10 minutes, gang. 10 minutes. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Right. 30 minutes rejecting here. 30 minutes doesn't want to push up. Ay. 3 minutes for 1 hour close, 4 hour close, 30 minutes close, 15 minutes close. Price action doesn't look good. So um we might chop here for the rest of the session. Let's see. All right. The 1 hour looks good. Want to see re-break of this candle low before entering a sell. Because once you re-break that low and we have volume, we expect volume, gonna rip down further. We just need to wait for candle close or impulse entry. Impulse entry. Impulse entries. For our close heavy bearish. Mm-mm, mm-mm, mm-mm. 1 hour. No top wig. Looks interesting here. If we know we have volume, do-do-do-do-do-do. All right, this gonna be good. This gonna be good. Once this candle re-break, chat, the previous candle low on the 30, I probably gonna give it a shot here. All right, so once we have volume and you starting re-break this previous candle low, and we know that we have volume, we probably gonna see this wick fail once again. Probably gonna look like this. Oof, or like this on price. So let's see. But yeah, I might enter here on the rebreak of the low. Let's see. Because 4 hour, 1 hour close. So yeah, let's see here, gang. No action. No action. So, no action yet. Probably no volume here. London session might chop around here, chat. We have support form in the 1 hour now. Support form. Have support now in the one. Re-break the high again. Toot, 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 toot. Re-break, re-break. Looking for buy opportunities now. Let's see on this 30. I wanna see close like this. So you close above on the recent structure. Because right now we're just inside the range, ranging here. 89 pip range. Um, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Do-do, 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 do-do. Do-do, do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Man, the 15 looks ugly, bro. Printing side by side. So, waiting. Doom, doo, 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 doo. 8 minutes for candle close. Let's see. No move, no action. Pure patience today. Pure patience, chat. 2 minutes and 30 seconds chat. Interesting here. Close above resistance on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's see in 2 minutes. Let's see. One minute. 30 minutes close above. Yeah. Re-break. Once you re-break the high, we might see some pops. We might see some pops. Do, 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 do. Pew, 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 dee, dee, dee. Dee, dee, dee. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. Oy. 13 seconds here, chat. Lock in here, gang. Some potentials. Close above recent structure. So I'm gonna put buy limit here. Buy limit. Struggle to push up. Mm-mm. Alright. Mm. Can you flip and push further up? Price action today, no good. No good. Yeah, it's still arranging here. Raging. Seven minutes for candle close. All right, we're backing up. Can we activate it here? Can we activate it? Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. So I'm probably gonna wait for this 15 minutes close. All right, so let's wait how the 15 minutes close. So I remove my buy limit up here. I'm gonna wait for the 15 minutes close. Mm-mm. Let's see. Didn't re-break. No re-break. 15 back in the range. Hmm. Yeah, we might see some chop today. We may see some chop on the session. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, no buenos. No buenos. No buenos. We're just chop here. Not good. and down again. So chat. 7 minutes for this candle to close. All right, 7 minutes for 1 hour close. Um, 6 minutes. So let's see here, because we move up already, and this candle is gonna be the fake out candle. Now, if in 6 minutes, if this candle close bearish below the range, man, we might have potential sells coming down here, right? So, yeah, let's see. Let's see here, gang. Let's see. Let's see. I know you guys are patient today, but it is what it is. We need to be patient. We need to see candles forming first, right? We need to see candles forming first and able for us to take a trade. So, yeah. 4 minutes. 4 hour flip. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. 2 minutes, gang. 2 minutes. Two minutes. All right. Let's see bottom wick. Can we make bottom wick here? Can we make a bottom wick? Bottom wick, bottom wick. Bottom wicks, bottom wicks. Bottom wicks, bottom wicks. Bottom wicks. All right, I'm taking sell right here. Taking sell here. Price. So I'm gonna keep my stops probably up here on structure high. Right? There is high potentials that gonna push further down here. Let's see. Can we move further down? Two. 1 hour open. Once you re-break the low, we might see some move down. If not, I probably gonna manage the risk. The risk. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. Dun, 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 dun. We might see some struggle here because no bottom wick. There is bottom wick but a little bit. Let's see. I want to see this at least fill the wick on the left hand side here. This one because 4 hour is flipping bearish, right? As you can see, the 4 hour flip bearish. Now there is a high chance that 4 hour fill the wick on the left minimum here. Minimum wick fill. Mm, mm, mm. A struggle to push down. Ugh. Mm, mm. Try, I'm adding one more position here on price as a pineapple. Let's see if we're gonna push further down. If not, probably gonna manage the trade up here. Didn't push through. That's the really tricky questions. The 4 hour flip again. Yeah, 4 hour flip. Bullish. So we expect if we flip, we move up again. And for today, we probably gonna see ranging. So yeah. Price action today, no good. So it is what it is. It is what it is. If this 15 close bullish, I probably gonna manage the trade, chat. Because now we're just ranging around. We're probably gonna retest the high again and push further up. Late candle move. So yeah. Price action no good today. Chat, I'm gonna close full right here, chat. Close full right here at man, that's move. That's the move. 25 pips. So I got 25 pips here on one move. The 5 minutes candle moved down further. Nice one. Nice one, chat. The pineapple save us, give us profit too. I got so I have 21 on the pineapple and so how much? Give me a sec here. 21. So I got 17 pips, chat. I got 17 pips. Yep, 17 pips. Got 17 pips there, chat. Ooh, man. Holy gold. You playing around? So I got 17 pips. That's a quick one. Quick 5 minutes candle move down further here. So I hope you guys close the trade. Right? I hope you guys close the trade there. I got 17 pips on this trade. So yeah. The really tricky question here, this candle didn't push further down. This candle grabbed liquidity first, and the last 5 minutes on the 15 minutes candle melt down here, re-break the lows here now, and then react. There is high probability that this candle will further push further down once you re-break the lows there. But I got the dubs. Got the dub 17 pips on the sell. W trade, W risk management there, chat. So as you can see, we planned that, right? We planned. We took the plan here, the idea of the trade, as you can see. Take the sell here because the volume is there, right? So we take advantage on that, but the candle still retracing up here, and then we add position. I add position there because I know that you're gonna react here, right? There is high probability that you're gonna react here, or you re-break the low, you re-break the high. It's gonna look like this, right? But didn't happen. No rebreak the high there. And then the 5 minutes candle push further down here. As you can see, we go out of the trade. This is the profit trade. Pineapple move, pineapple position. That's the profit trade. Risk that trade, trade management, W trade. W trade, everyone. W, man. W. So, what's that? Week entries. Onion. Yeah, probably this is gonna be probably breakout. It's breakout. Sell gold. London. 2 p.m. 6, 16, 20, 25. Yeah, W trade there again. W trade. Wow. Wow. So yeah, chat. W is in the chat, gang. If you got the trade, if you like the trade, W is in the chat. Make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. 17 pips on the trade. Sells plus 17 pips. And 52 wins. We got 52 wins, gang. 52. W trade. Double is in the chat. Double is in the chat. Let's go. W's in the chat, gang. W's in the chat. Let's go, main. Chat, spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Spam some W's in the chat. Spam some W's in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. W patience. Cha. All right. So yeah, that's the trade today, and gonna see you guys tomorrow. Gonna call it the stream and see you guys tomorrow, man. Love and wisdom to you all, guys. If you're gonna trade later on tonight, make sure you have stop loss. Don't over trade, don't over risk, gang. All right. Don't over trade, don't over risk. That's it. Double day. See you guys tomorrow. I'm out here. Peace, peace, peace.
Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming. Kids gon' listen to, huh? I guess me if it isn't you. Last week I paid a visit to the institute. They got the dropout, keeping kids in the school. I guess I clean up my act like Prince do. If not for the pleasure, least for the principle. They got the CD, then got to see me drop gems like I dropped out a PE. They used to feel invisible, now they know they invincible. Hey.